The G70 shows that Genesis found its own space and made its own bright light. Although the G70 is still in its first generation and entering its 6th year on the market, the South Korean sedan remains a strong foe to rival sports sedans. Sitting in a G70 is a luxury experience even beyond the inviting materials, decorative stitching, solid switchgear, and excellent build quality. Driver-centric ergonomics and clear, intuitive controls indulge driving enthusiasts. At the same time, there's no pandering to enthusiasts with fake carbon fiber bits or a flat-bottom steering wheel. Getting in, however, is slightly compromised by the position of the driver's seat, set back next to the B-pillar. The front seat placement provides a nice balance between comfort and sport but compromises legroom for the rear seats. Interior cubby storage includes a useful tray at the front of the center console, perfect for smartphones and other small items. Updates to the 2024 G70 are based on changes made to the model in its South Korean homeland. The turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder entry-level engine in the 2.0T has been retired in favor of a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder. This is the same motor we're familiar with from the departing Kia Stinger. Instead of 252 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque that the 2.0-liter makes in the G70, the bigger motor pumps out the same 300 horsepower it made in the Stinger. Other changes include Brembo brakes and adaptive suspension as standard equipment on the entry-level model, same as on the 3.3T V6 model, plus new paint colors and new wheel designs.